In this video, I will show you how you can fix error loading tap to retry error on any iPad. If you're trying to open YouTube but if you're facing this error on the screen, now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and remove all the apps from the recent apps section. And after that, just open the control center and go to the connection section. Now just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. Now after that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just turn it off and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings just tap on general. Under the general settings, just scroll down and tap on date and time. Over here, just check if the date and time on your iPad are correct or not. If they are incorrect, you can set them manually from here, just like that. And you can do the same thing with the time. Just select time and you can set the time manually, just like that. But what I recommend is just enable set automatically. And after you enable this feature, your iPad will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. After you check the date and time, then just go back to the general settings and tap on VPN and device management. And over here, just check if there is any VPN network connected with your iPad or not. If there is any VPN network connected with your iPad, just delete it from here. And also, if there is any DNS connected with your iPad, just tap on the DNS and select automatic from here. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on iPad storage, and over here just look for the YouTube app. As you can see, this is the YouTube app, so just tap on it and select offload app. Now just select offload. Now after you offload the YouTube app, then just select reinstall. And after you reinstall the YouTube app, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now let's say if your issue is still not fixed. Now for that, just open Safari. Then in the Safari web browser, just search this. And after you open the web version of YouTube in Safari, then just tap on the share button over here. And from this menu, just select view more. Now just scroll down and you will find the option for add to home screen. Now just select add to home screen and give a name to the YouTube app. For an example, I will name it YouTube 2 just to differentiate between the two apps. Then select add. Now after you do that, you will add a shortcut of the web version of the YouTube app on the home screen. And you will be able to use YouTube from that shortcut, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.